Hey there, this is Keith Neely at 236 Washington Street in beautiful Lake of the Woods. Check out this house. Look at this design. It's got a hip roof, architectural shingles. I love the siding on this house. It's fantastic. It's got the shakes, vinyl shakes, so maintenance free. The exterior of this house is fantastic. The upgrades, the lawn. She's obviously, this is a house that's been well kept and well cared for, so I'm excited to show it to you. They did a lot of updates. There's a new water heater. There is a newer heat pump, HVAC. They put hardwood floors in it. Let's go take a look. All right. When you come in, you first see these hardwood floors. Walks into this giant living room with skylights. An awesome gas fireplace. And then walks into this four-season room. It's got a great comfortable feel here. Carpet, indoor outdoor carpet, nice. So you can open up all these windows. You can use it like a screen-in porch, or you can use it as a room. It's got a view of the marina at Lake of the Woods. And it's also got access here where you can ride. You can actually bring your boat down this path and easily park your boat back behind the house, which is a very cool feature here at Lake of the Woods. So, got a deck here. It's a beautiful backyard, very peaceful. You can sit back here and, like I said, watch people take off in the marina. So, very, very relaxing spot. It's got some built-in shelves here in the living room. Two skylights, vaulted ceiling, an open space into an office area. I'll show that part to you later. Flows into this dining room. They put hardwood floors throughout the entire house, which I think was smart. They recently upgraded. The owners put those in and did a great job. Every room in the house, hardwood floors. Kitchen's great. It's got nice granite, dark appliances. Won't leave markings or a mess. The kitchen flows right into the laundry room. Washer and dryer, tile floor. It's got a sink, which is very nice to have a sink here, which flows into a two-car garage. One door. It's got some built-in shelves. It's got a little closet here. All right. Also, the first, all this is one level, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. You have this office area. It's got a little half-hip wall. You could open that up if you wanted to, or leave it as is. I'll close the door. It's chilly today. Again, hardwood floors throughout. Bathroom on the first floor. These are your utility. Hardwood floors, bedroom number 3. Closet, very nice closet. Again, all one floor, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Closet here, bedroom here, closet. Good little walk-in closet there. And then, linen closet again. Look at this master offering, it's pretty nice. It's got again, the hardwood floors. Open area, a lot of windows. They even put hardwood floors in the master closet. I'm telling you, take a look in there. Plenty of space in there, even stuff for all of my clothes. I do like the hip roof.